Yeda Okropon Ase. First of all, Mami Enshas here with the current arrester Ekokoso, and of course the comments are Edikai Epi. But who say no international community no NPP and penning for a competition almost say no maybe because we memua and said that woman in over the arrest Ekokoso no any other. But so far we monitor trends no, particularly comments so a free penning for be ho ebano. As a leader, menkanesa we a penny so amanyuku mu sebe yes so mo abodu se mutu adonko yeye ewunim die mu eni nyinimu ni ade no we take wo ho ne to say
yo me chat you for you know take all ho ne say yeah democracy man okay bia the democracy ya sometimes we the captain of youth then will be now yet in Oka Aseno. Na no and some of what can and I want to share with you if you say you go who can see the change way. But because I question I'm going to say, you have a choke, you probably do as you said, we are more being able to true I am man, sex now. Dana. He can say, woman, yes, I know. We didn't want most of this police having national security for 1 year, especially PNI for every local point. Only professional people. Everything now be push it for the political reasons continue with Morano, Morano. Thank you. You're coaching. Tina, I'm saying, unfortunately, so if you have to put them out where they offer it, I think they are more democracy for my year. You know, corner engine. The country will be answered. Yet, one more years, and they will be very careful. Now, I am not freedom but the country not but freedom of speech. Settle one work. Okay, no shame you. Now, what you do, I say, oh, sir, I'm
okay, but Doc, having monitored comments from a uncroft way be a shawase, meet me I can say unquada because when you few amanyukunum bebre unim de ko ani mu chen wo but what trans na utie comments be from money bia to say abronya muku kamone wo mu aye ka se bi wo mu ano trash ye no a anya bia ya na how do you feel ya na encounter say a hard dwene say amaduku ni ye bibi special about that
na so because abona enke ya amaduku ye bibi yes ria eto di mat
Doc say o kasa na amaye hello Doc Doc yetio
so because na asani ye kwaya ye no wo sibi komo
right no make on the part of mo amanyuku no
we have advise people all the time maybe advice here can you
okay
who said the AC na come for so answer will be say me kroma no say you know me the back area the duro
can no be
the kasa any ade ne ye say ajima no
right
so one my nyina ye for
okay
o my no we ko can say so ko go sometimes pick up you know member better ka see ku tu be no one papa ya back in the correct no do this one ya ma if you cover bill of 6 million 60 million ya ni ba ni sa o be ya irrespective of party and who join it.
Sure. Sure. It's true. Now, I've condemned it. Even this week, I've talked about it. Last week, I talked about the rampant arrest and the Rambo-style arrest, in which was happening before. Mampenikra, Otisunde were condemned before. And Ibisu si what happened, so I've condemned that. But let's look at the issues in contest. Mabunu ewo yamanyukumu ahudui. Ene momo time na ntesa. In fact, so unse penny mo ye mo amanyo semwa na ehwo te kakra. Utie Dr. Nsiasare no what platform so kura debate ya. You see that sense of maturity, that wisdom a display. But today, in fact, se utie amanyo semna akoye politics of insult. Ena afi nsukra no. Ebinom wo mutumi sheda ko pamatade bia eni ho. Asem no kura wo kan onim se eni enye no kura nyina so bia eni, but the person will publish it. Se be ya ebe sue public the public from the reality of issues are ekoso. How do we manage this particular thing? Kwan be ne be fa so asade no ye betumi etu ase free amanyo se musisi.
Social media.
Social media. Thank you.
Because social media, especially, you know, so be a phone. Now it's kind of phone, so no, I can't do it. We said that you have a bit of kaya. Don't even continue. We are no near so no. Social media, so it doesn't lie. Don't even confirm it will be call viral. No, I don't know. You can't say more about young people about what we have. You should be very careful whatever they do, whatever they say. What's okay, also we need so. Who need so now car. They don't pop the idea of it to say, men are kind. The tell me cancer, we so wait, no, we see it, kind. And then you have future. Yeah, the my 40 say, I'm going to say, so 50,000 any years old. And I could be a win here, but we are on cost me and father my any amount. Yamama, no man within 2 weeks. When you share with them, yeah, I feel annoying. Or can't you know? I also catch it or do him. I'll maybe a future of the whole be other say. We are variety, we are Babawa, and I say, we politics. Yeah, politics are. If you be no more, can't say you are, will be able to be grand, no near to me.
Sure.
Now, call baby. Now, it's in your conversation. Now, more hit and near mamma, the social media.
Very apt.
And more also, more to you, so the TV, so that and you have one.
Sure.
Will be back, or one would be at a one. Okay, I say,
yeah.
When you call for maybe a yes, I think about back with you. Come to the guy, come 1, 2, 3. Organization studio called Mahabi. Also, look, yes,
okay.
And we jaw, when I depend on you, can.
Sure.
What will be what can see? Who says, what can say, we now know what you should have okay. And now it's too late.
It's true.
It's a photo of maybe two will be on both sides. Or all the political parties who know we are communication in our
sure.
What can say, the audience media at all. Why I say, if you feel about the team fee, now, especially, or more bloggers and there's so ultra, who are the media, no, actually being, and they are needing, they are making, sanity, home bath and waiting a year now. There were possible, here, Mamma running edge, man, and Morano, a year at each other, and Morano, yes, and for being or two, the Yemen now, I get it now, make my man say, I won't pay the bill, I won't even to you. Bill is a bill here. But Gono, wouldn't so own your name, the piano, no way a responsible person who be a very short manner. How many bill? No business, but not saying you in a bonwa. Not to be out in Brano, the father, the man of maybe enough money now.
Right, Doc Yedasepa, and I think there's a great advice for the youth in politics, and even the media. ebetumi aboa ye pa. Moving on to agenda 111. Udi animu ehwe se adwumadi nyina betumi akoyie pa, but the president John Dramani Mahama can say said he is starting at once every place I pese ye bia na ye 111 no enya de se nanka eye ne kwan so ntina am ye ntumi anwie no kese nke ye ne nkakran nti sisi kura no wa call on eye churches no ne other ye ombetumi de omo ho ahyem no maboa me complete some of them ama no matumi akwa animu, and he has also promised to complete a number of them, but bun komposho wachia now we say we could have done it in a different way. Sure. Right.
18th of I think August or July 2021 in the president power and home to my our training. Agenda 111 by because of COVID. Obetaya COVID by me. If a baby for a year to an epidemic in the pandemic, and I saw to say, Ebola, it was a thing they are prepared to be a woman. The vice president office for research, and the Ghana SMC, and the 1 million even confirm way. That they district as the option to take in the affair of primary referral center, which is a district hospital. And you know, say 6 new agencies in the district, any regional hospital. And the president say, what about yet? How we psychiatric hospital certified? If you need our one, if you're planning about what you know, say, yeah, they're 101. People who I see in one district hospital.
Yeah.
But I need this hospital. Okay. You push me back. First, I found that you didn't put an old mass hospital.
Yeah.
The hospital did that. Go free. Clear back. Commercial.
Yeah.
Commercial. Those you patient could I name your child or say the patient not on wall. I never said in the municipal hospital.
Right.
Or common council. No mobile and have and the end of the clinic. And if you district hospital, it's how crashing. It didn't yet be also a any junior when you cast any or seeking a year district hospitals and 101 districts and municipalities. 96 7 regional hospitals because because of district district hospital, regional hospital, 2 sides, Castle Hospital, and I said a common hospital, and they are reading government. Now, when I handed it, yeah, she didn't say, but I over regional hospitals, and then say, no, it didn't. I put a name here because if you did about when I was from there, 160 beds to 200 beds, because they did not. I'm quite for free a couple of music by a big debt, a day, low summa. Can you hold that now? Value for money, and they got to finance it. Say, IMF conditionality statement, debt restructuring or way. You don't cut any go. And they share. I said, Ben and Catherine, you don't be out your quality books here. ABC, things like hospital. When they found one answer, all I YouTube. The war. And maybe say, also, legacy projects are making yes, appointed actually be an oil. Say, we need the oil carry with the West Cabin. If you're changing, a sort of all revenue, a friend of above budget formulary allocation in the fee. I say in keepers. Into the president and the cabinet, and concurrently, they say, between Afasa, Kennedy, near the year, dedicated for Agenda 111. It is 20% of ADF IFN keepers, which is about 14% total of oil revenue, is dedicated as a dedicated budget for Agenda 111 for the 101 district hospitals and the 2 psychiatric hospitals. The psychiatric hospitals and the other 7 regional hospitals and the external funding, external 10K projects. You know, and I'm saying that restriction on TV in shares here. To be a shares here, it's actually a President Power on August 2021. And the district hospitals and the 2 psychiatric hospitals. There could be more finance committee for boy almost to catch non-sergeant by 111. And yet across the country, every region will be region crowd would need this hospital, 2 district hospital and 1 regional hospital. Oko Bota region and they are of them there. Oko Northern region, plus psychiatric hospital, they are about 12. Ashanti region, plus psychiatric hospital, actually, I didn't see which we are yet to start. Oko Upper Western, 5. Upper East, 8. Okay. So, regional hospital, 5. Bono, 3. Bono East, 4. Every region, central region, western region, 4, and central region, 8. Region, 8. It is across the country. It is both sides of parliament. Make sure in budgetary allocation every year from 2021, the BR account. They make sure or empire budget. That is the dedicated. So there were 2 dedicated sources. And then finance minister for that said, Obekin so am my COVID, Sika of World Bank, $100 million equivalent. And the research, it mobilizes the contractor for non-profit. It is a deal over here during epidemic period. Epidemic comes of emergency situations. If there is an emergency in a year, regional district hospitals. It will take Ghana over 100 years before we can bridge the gap. And not any my yes, but you are saying an asset because they do what they want as issue. They do what in your asset. They do what assassin and only a 50 because of could be do awkward before you could trade and be in a won't say a hospital for in your side. Yes, I say any idea, especially municipalities in the metropolitan areas and the commercial area, what you know. Yet another story, one of them story building, a second story, drawing a story building, which is if you are so and they were bantama, butcher on.
Okay.
And they are all kind. And they do also a coin, as I say, not progressive, as I say, and your boy a boy Emery.
Okay.
Of Boise East. You have to abandon the site and go to a new site. As we speak, also, we are trying to manage and claim the land. But of course, and walk fast. But actually, all the projects are into the contractors now. We are contractors. They do have contractors in the the 3 contractors will be accommodation, will be electrical area, will be a main hospital, will be a word most of them will be there. Not a bit in our handling of values, about 30%, about 30 something to the 3 on hospital, where 70% and above. The modern, it power, all the equipment will be there. The only one level warehouse is about so containers and what Ministry of Health, Spintex Road warehouse.
Right.
So, yeah, I'm here. And you're not correct.
Yeah.
Because let's get the end why you're not correct. And according to the contract, you for 8 sites, consulting companies. Contract and a year, you we are also about 10% as far as certificate. To be wait before they come for the money. until the cost 7% or 5% be a financial advantage. So, if you want to keep it, war, you know why you know, and you have to go on. The other corner, not certificates about and Chiaka, had this affair, or working on the oil money, EBF, and then new budget about giving you the account. They have 100 million. Come to your home by 2025. Continue as we were doing. We are sure that about 20, 30, or 35 of the project will be completed by now. Because all your corner, that are not any cannot, you know, be able to know your call. Our Janica for 18, 17, 18 months. What about this?
I be
Obi the copies going to be the governance continue. It will because agenda 111 was not prudent. That's the word that the president used, which I thought it was not the right word to use.
No, say starting it all at a go. No, I think no saying
I don't know. See 24-hour market in all the districts at a go.
Okay.
Then we see what they also see 200 new schools. And we came in 24 all at a go, and they are prudent.
Right.
And so we say you see them off and off for sale.
Yeah.
So they prudent. They said it translated to you. Put as a coach here. I don't mean him a P. It's 24-hour market. That's priority.
Okay. Doc, me breno ya sunti me pese me ask you on the president's statement say Catholics no ne other Christian services no wonum betumi anka omo adapt agenda 111 ni bi no omo adapt na anka omo nye no
Aban won't nye sika wa odi bi yeto no wonye iska na nkotua obi a woni bi a wona otua na edwan foka no ko hie wi na kase bi a wo memma mani bi wa ya se what is that no and most of the hospitals won kwase person no ma ye wa ka say e be de wonya ni sika back and you know we want to ntua also we are ko busa private hospitals.
But so already near Wachak facilities, Christian health services, or more adwuma that they've been making a lot of revenue, which ABM Van say Poop Mission Hospital near the idea or Pope John Paul money idea can no. Ebi omu was canon bit me adapt one be I improve no nearest district. I think a good call.
Donation from Amanone.
Okay.
That's a good answer. If you almost hope of a donation, you know what we see down. If a bias say or provided good health, quality health for the people of the country, and also we get the American say
right.
A budget I need to use and okay. County of a government. See a year a crack commercial organization at 64%. I think it will be a car to be there 12 hours, 18 hours, accidents, name. But prior to so, Kokoya Express Road. That is what it will pass the law. Sabaya governance now you continue. Your money will continue. Obana be do over here. Now why you know what to say.
Right.
So we are doing home fashion. And yes, I see you Mozano. So contact a phone call doing the Juma.
A better say. Right. Sure.
Coming back will be a woman say, before come to be pictures by. Think half of them who you were 1 year, I didn't have a whole year, telephone, cables,
air condition, yeah.
I don't. The end, your plan say, yeah. Because I say, yeah, you
say we uncle money there doctor a door so na me brain it na say I can't push much. Yes, me person about one-on-one because I have a lot of questions, especially on projects. I'm completely looking at those times. No, na in fact, we are worried as even in Ashanti region, some of these projects. Inti me here one-on-one doc. Na ye din komo inti wadaruma ye din komo wecho. Sure, the bia na ya show. All right, Doc Medase. Dr. Insia Sari, former government advisor on health under Kufuado, and Yaneno Kochichi and Komono, former President Kufuado, now on a 24 Apumidin Hunshi, any idea the Hunti, you be because we are will be called an answer or coming. Me here say critical, ye train the time, the Obahadia, near.